We are going to the Bangalore Sunday Market, also called the Bangalore Chor Bazaar, and exploring some vintage brass. The best way to get here is to take the Namma Metro Green Line and get off at the Chikpet station and take the BVK Iyengar Road exit, and you are already in the Sunday Market. Now, what I did was I took left after getting out of the metro station, and I explored about 3 different brass stores which are on the road. The Sunday Market is basically BVK Iyengar Road opening up its footpaths to all these vendors who have pretty much anything that you want available there. There were so many exciting things, some second-hand cookware to tools, and this shop was exclusively filled with casters, second-hand casters. There were both old and new things, because in some places I did see new things being sold, but it's so much fun to look at all the buzz around. Here was old appliances, refurbished, cleaned up, ready for sale. The Bosch front load washing machine was about 8,000 rupees, and the vendors don't usually have the store there all week. They have their stores elsewhere. So if you are able to build a rapport with them and chat them up, you can go to their stores and basically get a good second-hand product if you're on a budget. We got there around 10:30, 10:45ish, and it was already very, very crowded. I've been to Sunday Market probably 20 years ago, so this was me exploring Sunday Market almost 20 years later, and I somehow felt that I had ended up at this particular stall itself, because I remember myself taking a photo of some brass stuff behind this shutter. Anyway, I know the first thing everybody would ask is, how was the pricing? The pricing was almost retailish, because there were some new things also available in the market, but it's almost like people would quote prices that are almost retailish. Some of them quote prices based on kg. There was a guy selling brass things at 1,500 a kg. There was somebody selling it at 1,000 rupees a kg, and so on. And so, some people were outright selling things at like they would have a fixed price for a particular piece of artifact. Knowing what exactly you are looking for and knowing approximate prices of what it could cost in retail will help a lot. Also, for something that you like, you can do a quick reverse Google search and see if it's worth buying. But all in all, you have to bargain. Brass scrap in Bangalore right now sells for about 500 rupees a kg if you want to let go of old brass that you have at home. And if you want to buy something back, buy old brass back, the starting price is about 1,000 rupees a kg. So know that. I was looking for these small Deepa Lakshmis, and the vendor quoted about 600 each for these tiny idols. And anyway, their faces were not too great, so I did not bargain or negotiate there. This is a stall that I really liked, because the man who was there was polite, and I was actually able to have a conversation with him. I loved these pair of feet and hands, and it also came with a Shiva head. And I was looking for a lamp for a DIY that I want to do, and I've been looking forward to do. So I found a lamp, and I was able to chat up the man and get a good deal on it. For me, the experience of buying from somebody is more important than the price. So sometimes if I get a good conversation and a fairly okay price, I'm okay with paying some bit extra. This man was really sweet. I got my lamp, and I also got a small tiny idol which I'll show you in a while, which he gave it to me for free after knowing that I was planning to do a DIY. So this is the lamp that I got. It is a 20-inch lamp. He quoted around 1800 and I offered him 1500 and he was good with it. No, it's not the most ornate or an old lamp, but it was definitely something that I was looking for. What I got is a 20-inch lamp, and I saw a similar 16-inch lamp being sold on Amazon for about 1700 rupees, which made me feel like I got a good deal. Now I have a similar lamp, a similar vintage lamp, which was much more nicely made. You can see it here in comparison. The top little Gopuram kind of thing is nice and 3D and well made compared to what I got. But we have to trust the DIY process. Here is a small little idol of Madurai Meenakshi that I got. He quoted 100 rupees for it and gave it to me for free when he realized that I was going to be doing a DIY. When I was in Madurai doing the ancient Madurai store there, I saw this beautiful lamp in the owner Hema's home, and this is not a lamp that is old. This is actually somebody has fixed the little idol on top of it, and I was like, I need one for myself. So that is what I plan to do with my newly thrifted lamp. And the fact that I got this idea in Madurai and then I found a Madurai Meenakshi is really the genius of it. So this is what I plan to do. We'll do the DIY in a separate video, but you see the vision here. I am so looking forward to doing this DIY. So yes, you can get some wonderful stuff at a great price if you're willing to brave the crowd and do your research and go to the Bangalore Sunday Market. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.